Graffiti artists from Croatia, Slovenia, Hungary, and Latvia have been asked to paint murals reflecting the recent illiberal trends in our democracies.
The idea is to see things, people who see the day and people who close their eyes during the day, but see the night.
We've arrived to an intersection where we have to decide, once again, the direction to go in.
Do we allow illiberal democracy to keep us in chains?
Or do we join forces and fly free towards a more just world order?
Today, illiberal trends in Europe are bringing the past back to the center of political life.
Never in modern history of Europe has there been a greater need for public scrutiny over the wolves of government and capital. Illiberal democracies are primarily targeting freedom of speech.
When thinking about freedom of speech,
I realized that a spoken word has great power and gives light to whatever it touches.
The idea of solidarity and democracy in Europe must live on.
Only together we can heal our democracies.
More democracy
for more Europe.